Hello students, good morning to all. I am Rahul Sharma from Elton Public School, Gola Gorakhpur. Today I am going to take lecture of 12th class. As you know, this is your physics lecture. As you know, your unit electrostatics is going on. In this unit, the chapter electric charge and electric field. So today I will discuss about a numerical question. As you know, in previous video I have discussed about electric charge, Coulomb law, electric field intensity due to a point charge, and the electric field intensity due to a dipole, axial position and equatorial position. We have also discussed about the general formula of intensity. It means point may be situated in any direction at any position. So this is a very important numerical. So two charges plus minus 10 microcoulomb are placed 5 millimeter apart. It means the length of dipole is 5 millimeter. Determine field. We have to find field. You can say field strength, field or field intensity. At there is two parts in this question. A point P on axis of dipole 15 centimeters away from the center on the side of positive charge. This is the first question. And the second, a point Q 15 centimeter away from on a line passing through O and normal to the axis of the dipole. Normal to the axis of the dipole. So this is question. I hope you understand about this numerical question. This is based on electric field intensity due to a dipole. So this numerical question you can solve by two types. First, you can find the electric field intensity at external point individually. It means by plus Q charge and after that minus Q charge. And by using the addition of vector, you can find the resultant intensity or resultant field. And another method, you can use direct formula for electric dipole intensity on axial position and or equatorial position. So I am going to solve first part. So this is the dipole. Plus 10 microcoulomb minus 10 microcoulomb. This is dipole. Midpoint of dipole is O. We have to find intensity determine field at a point on the axis of dipole 15 centimeter from the center on the positive side. This is positive side. So your point where you have to find intensity is situated 15 centimeter away from the pole midpoint, and this side is towards positive charge. So this is dipole and this is the axial position. That I have told you, you can solve this numerical by using two methods. First, you can find intensity E1 due to positive charge. It means Q upon R square. R square means, let this is AB. So this is AP whole square. The dipole length is 5 millimeter and this is 15 centimeter. So AB equal to OP. It means 15 minus OA, and this is 2.5 millimeter. And after that you can find E2. This is plus 2 charge and this is due to minus 2 charge. Clear? And by using the addition of vector, because as we know, E1 act outward and E2 act inward. So E equal to E1 minus E2. So this is your answer. And the another method, you can use the formula for electric field intensity due to dipole at axial position. It means, as you know the formula, E equal to for air. As you know, for air, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p R square minus L square whole square. This is the value of electric field intensity due to dipole at axial position. So I hope you understand this formula. So by putting value of R 15 centimeter, L is 2.5 millimeter. When you put value, so this calculation will be difficult because you have to convert millimeter into meter, centimeter into meter. So that's why you can neglect this value, some value. Why? Because according to question, the length of dipole is 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter. It means your L, as you know, 2L is equal to 5 millimeter. You have to understand this point. 2L is equal to 5 millimeter. L is not 5 meter because in derivation you have to take, you have solved derivation by using 2L. So L equal to 2.5 millimeter and R equal to 15 centimeters. So the 15 centimeter is longer with respect to 2.5 millimeter. It means R is greater than L, and R square, this is R square, becomes more greater than L square, because as you know, when a bigger quantity gets square, it means that it is 4. So 4 square equal to 16. If 0.1 is 1 square, it is 0.01. So 16 is more than 4. But 0.01 is less than 0.1. It means when you get square of 15, it is a big quantity, large quantity, but when you use square 2.5 millimeter, so this is comparatively a smaller quantity. So that's why R is greater than L and R square is more greater than L square. So it means you can neglect this value. Initially this formula, this is equal to what is the basic formula? E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R minus L whole square, and E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R plus L square. When you solve E equal to E1 minus E2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, so Q1 the common, so 1 upon R minus L square, 1 upon R plus L square, so E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q R plus whole square minus R minus L whole square upon R square minus L square. And when you solve this, E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. When you solve this, it becomes 4 R L upon R square L square. And this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This becomes 2 L 2 R upon R square L square. It means you can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 P R upon R square L square equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2 pi R upon R square minus L square the whole square. It means this is equal to 2 pi R. But when you neglect this value, as you know, R square is greater than L square, so this is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon R to the power 6. So this becomes R, and this is neglected, it becomes r to the power 4, and this r, one value of r is cancelled by this r, so this is become r3. So now you can use this formula, you can use this direct formula to solve. So E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and the value of P. What is the value of P? P equal to 2ql. So Q into 2l. So Q is equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 6, and L equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 50 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb meter. This is the value of P. So value of P, you can put the value 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 9 into 10 to the power 9, and this is 2 into 50 into 10 to the power minus 9, and value of R equal to 15 centimeter, because the distance of point P from the midpoint, this question is given 15 away from the center. So this is equal to 15, so 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Okay. So 15 into 10 to the power minus 2 cube. So when you solve this, A equal to 15 and R equal to 15 into 10 to the minus 2. So when you solve this becomes 15 into 15 into 15 and 10 to the power minus 2 cube. So 3 3 9, 15, 10, 3 and 3 cancel by this 3, and this is 2 to the 4. So E equal to 4 upon 15 and 10 to the power, this power cancel by this, so 10 to the power minus 6. So when you divide 4 by 15, this is 0.2. So what will come? 10, 2.666 and 10 to the power 6. So 2.67 into 10 to the power 5. Newton upon Coulomb. Okay. So I hope you understand how to solve this type of numerical. And 4 divided by 15, 0.2666. We'll continue. So you can write 2.67, and the power comes from 6 to 5, and you can write 2.6, and this becomes 6, 7, because this 6 is going continuous. So 2.67 10 to the power 5 Newton upon Coulomb. This is the value of electric field density due to a dipole. So the second part of this video I will explain in my second part of this question I will explain my next video. Okay, so thank you.